you need to watch this. So as you guys might know, I have a stock portfolio and it is currently valued at $174,000, right? In pounds, it's £137,000. How I got this? No, I didn't have a massive income growing this portfolio. I actually had quite a low income, but I'll tell you a secret, my savings rate was through the roof. If we actually go over to my income over the years since I started working a job, that's all of my income, and then my income after taxes, because unfortunately you have to pay taxes, and then during the years where I was a student, I received a student maintenance loan, so I've just been putting that money into stocks as well, because my parents were lucky enough to support me through going through university, and then I also had savings as well, whether that was through birthdays, inheritance, Christmas. I also got a child trust fund from the government. So all of that added up to that savings number. So in total, over my lifetime, I have generated £93,000. Now, out of that £93,000, I have invested £89,000 of the money, which shows that I have a savings rate of 95.69%. Now, that is the secret to how I got such a large portfolio. It isn't my income, because as you can see, my income has been quite small. Like between 2019 and 2020, income only 940, 2020, 21, 4,000, 8,000, 17,000, 29,000. Obviously 24 to 25 is 26,000, which is a bit less, but obviously we haven't finished that year yet, that tax year yet. So I have been slowly increasing my income, but the main reason why I've got such a big portfolio now is the 95% savings rate. Now, I don't expect everyone to be able to get that, because I've been very fortunate, or I've been able to live at home basically rent free. And obviously not everyone's in as good lucky situation as I am, but if you want to grow a portfolio like mine that's now valued at $174,000, you need to focus on your savings rate based off my experience. That is my secret to how I've grown my portfolio. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see what I'm invested in, the YouTube will recommend you to watch that video next. Remember to like, subscribe, and just comment down below any other video ideas you want me to publish. And I'll see you in the next one.